So we're going to Davao. Ate, mana ka eat? Alam siya man eat guys. Si ate, nag-take out siya. And si Razen, and the Pogi, and si Daddy, nabuglobot. And hi guys. Okay. Bye-bye! Ay, si Riley, na nag-eat and super pretty. The pretty na ate. And ang dudong. Meron tayo. Okay guys. Bye-bye. Wow, a police? Police. Sheriff Labrador. Oh, dagat. What is that? Ligo ka dagat? Babay dagat. Ano siya? Napa? Okay na, bayad na dito. Dali. Ay mo toys. O na pa. Kay Ryzen. Give ka Ryzen. Turan na, dali. Gampi na, bi. Cambio to. Amin na. Hinago na. Ryzen, pick up. Ryzen, pick up. Riley, what will you say to Daddy?
Thank you, Papa.
Hi guys. What will you say to Daddy, Riley?
Thank you, Papa.
Happy kasi mo toys?
Thank you, Dada.
Happy kasi mo toys? Oh, look. Upod siya do. Happy. Uy, Jud. Happy kasi mo teddy bear dodong? Ay, it's happy ka. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Si Ate Rally, unsa gani mo Ate Rallies?
Toy.
Unsa imong toys?
Toy.
Toy bitaw ha.
Toy.
Toy bitaw ha, toy. Sige na guys, bye guys.
Toy.
Nice?
Yes.
Kasi mo na nice.
Very nice.
Car, nice ang car?
Let's
Uy!
Todo.
Hi guys! Hello guys! Oh, ikaw lagi, oo. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! Dilay sila. Be. Ay mo na. Sige. Susuli na. Hi guys! Hello guys! Nagnipon na ni siya? Hello guys! Uy, patay! Uy! Ayaw ba? Uy! Ayaw ba? Hello! Ryzen! Nagpika mo? Ay, budik! Budik! Shh! Pika! Miss Rachel? Hello! Uy!
Banana